I'm so glad that you could come over for the sleepover tonight. We've been planning this for like a year now, right? Yeah, like every time that I would bring it up, you'd like have something else to do or something like, your dog passed or your cat broke its ankle or your parents I don't know, like they went on a trip to LaGuardia. I don't really know where that is, but it sounds serious. So, I've been waiting patiently. I've been marking it on a calendar, marking off the days, checking it twice, making sure nothing else happened. So I'm really glad about today. This is so cool. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, and now we can just talk and play in face mask. And I can even like just give you a nice little hair massage or brush your hair if you want me to. I can? I can brush it? Oh, yes, this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay. So are you and the guy, are you guys still dating? You are? I don't know, I just don't really think that he deserves you. Just because he's such a complainer, just nagging. And you don't deserve that. You don't deserve to have to listen to that. I think you need someone that's a little bit more like, maybe like me. Obviously not me, but I think you need someone more like me. If that makes sense. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna spray some of this rose water on there. Give you a little hydration. Yeah, I think you should dump them and maybe find someone else. So you were telling me about what happened in class last week with Professor J? Mm-hmm. Exactly. Hmm. What? No. Why would I be? Why would your hair be in my mouth? No, I'm literally like just like swirling it, but it makes like these funny noises because I added the extra water in there. So it's like, a little. It sounds a little dramatic, but don't worry about it. Just keep telling me about what happened in class. You were talking about how when Sarah walked in, she tripped, her ankle twisted a little bit, and she fell. What else happened? Okay. That had to suck. Did she have to go to the hospital? Okay. And so, did Marcus, did he put that right there so that she could trip, or you're not sure? Hmm. Okay. Now, he was sent to the dean's office. Okay. Delicious. Huh? Now I'm saying these curls, they're looking delicious. Do you see that definition now? All from the rose water. Seriously, you have to get you some. It's like a holy grail in my house. I keep it all the time, seriously. Yeah, continue. I'm listening. Exactly. I don't know, I feel like if he was going to be upset that she didn't want to talk to him anymore, he could have just dropped classes or switched classes or something, but to make sure that she tripped before walking into class is honestly crazy. And didn't you guys have an exam that day or something? Yeah, he's honestly a terrible person, really. I'm surprised they didn't, like, I don't know, kick him out or something. That's gotta be some sort of, like, harassment. Her ankle was pretty bad. I seen a picture of it. It was really swollen, right? Oh, she only sent the picture to your phone. She didn't post it anywhere. No, well, I think your phone was like open and I seen it on your screen or something when we were talking about it. I don't know, but I thought I saw her ankle. I may have just looked up videos of swollen ankles just to see what it might look like. I don't know. But I think your phone might have been open. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we could always just like go see her at her house or something to see if she needs anything. Check in on her. Honestly, I think I might have to like refresh her curls every week or something. Do you see these? They look so good. Honestly, oh my gosh. I mean, you could always get the rose water and do it yourself, but it's just always something different about someone else doing your hair. It just feels like a million times better. Yeah. Just spray a little extra. And really work that in. Gives it like this extra flavor. Not literal flavor, silly. Oh my gosh. I mean, like, oh, Like how, your curls are so juicy, it gives it extra flavor. The curls are eating. We always have a little double entendre. Totally, totally normal. So how'd you do on the test? Mm-hmm. Do you think that you would take his class, like another one of his classes again? I get that. The workload wasn't really worth it. Yeah, I heard about him being like a pretty strict professor. Like, you have to stick to the syllabi. You can't use PDF files of the book. You have to have the handheld book. I definitely heard not so great things about him. Yeah, so I can see that. That makes sense. Now, I would recommend Professor, what is it, Heidberg. She is so thorough. She makes sure that all the classes are uploaded online, so if you ever miss a day or anything like that, then you can just review the lecture. Then, I don't know, she has like a bunch of different stuff available, or like Zoom meetings to have office hours instead of having to come in person. She's been really chill ever since, I don't know, like 2020 or something. So I like her. I've taken maybe 2 or 3 courses with her, so I'd say she's pretty good. And then we could always take a class together. Oh, and I could do your hair in there too. That would be amazing. Yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Oh, so defined. You don't even need gel or anything, or like a curl cream. You have such pretty curls. You thinking of cutting your hair off? Why would you do that? Like, what would I be able to do then? I can't brush that. Like, oh my gosh. Seriously? Why? What? What are you thinking? It's been harder to manage. Well, I mean, that's why you have me. I mean, if we'd been hanging out like we were supposed to this past year that I've been texting and calling you, then we wouldn't even be having this discussion right now, because I would make sure that your hair looked amazing every week. I make sure it's well moisturized and trimmed and everything, and you wouldn't have to worry about any of the upkeep, It'd be beautiful. Yeah, you have to keep your hair. We can start this right now as your first, styling with me. Yeah, of course, free of charge. You don't have to worry about a thing. Trust me. This time spent with you is all the currency I need. Oh my gosh. Plus, my dad has like a 8-figure business, so I mean, I think that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, I don't pay to go here. Yeah, I just found you. I just found the school online, and I just told my dad I wanted to enroll. So yeah, it's been pretty fun here so far. So I'm liking it. Okay, I think that's the last curl that needs to be defined for now. You look beautiful. No, I think I had like an eyelash or something got in my mouth. Now, do you want to tell spooky stories and like hide under the sheets or something? Oh my god, I know it's like so elementary, but I think it'll be fun. Okay. Yeah, he's honestly a terrible person, really.